So you know what to call me. So this is my mangle and foxy pirate ship. Yeah, in Minecraft. PS4 controller and me. Sorry, it's hard to hold. I just saw a monster. Okay, I'm sorry. This is a little cringy because I can't really do this while holding a camera. Okay. What the? Oh. Okay, here we go. So that's where Mangle sleeps on the pink side and Foxy sleeps on the red side. You see I did some decorating on the floor. There is the flag. As you can see, it'll be better for you, I think. The flag of Fangle flag. Oh, sorry guys. And then up here we have the little thing where you look up. So yeah, that's my Mangle and Foxy pirate ship. And FNAF. Well, wow, in Minecraft. Alright, well, bye guys. Just have to wrap this video up. Make another video soon. Well, bye.